Here I am today over at the Overflow lot, and I've got a nice lightning storm going on to the east of me. Lots of lightning bolts going on. This is really far away, and it looks really nice. Lots of bolts every second. Can't hear any thunder from it though, but it sure is quite a storm to be watching. And I got a lot of light pollution from street lights and whatnot, so I don't know how well that's affecting this. But from my vantage point here, it looks really nice. Oh, that was a really good one, yeah. All right. Moved into a little bit darker area. Maybe you can see him a little bit better, huh? All right. There was just one off to the right there. You couldn't see it very well, but I saw it. There we go. Again, it's too far away. You're not going to hear any thunder. Well, this is just an awesome, spectacular show. I hope it gets closer as the night goes on. Oh, wow. And if it does get closer, I'll definitely get some video of that and be posting it. Ooh, wow. Wow. I'm going to go over there. Oh, ooh. All right. This is great stuff. What you hear behind me is the roar of traffic on the main busy highway. I had to go across the street to a field a bit to get away from the street light. But looks to be worth it to me. Oh, wow. Oh. I certainly wished I was here with my babes tonight. It's her birthday, of course. Happy birthday, my love. I hope you have a great time and enjoy all your loot that you get. We're going to have a blast. I love you. There we go. All right. Well, I guess I'll stop it here. Hope you enjoyed the show, folks.